Hello guys, how are you doing today? My name is Maicon and I am a QA engineer. It's a big pleasure to stay here with you again. And yeah, this is not the first time that I'm trying to create this video. Let's see what's going on right now. But Maicon, what do you have for us today? It's a good question. What I want to show you, it's a Salesforce. This is the Salesforce application as well. And guys, before I continue and present more, my idea is not enter in these you have a lot of menu here. No, my idea is not explain these menus, sorry, but instead of this, I want to show you a little example, a small example, how you can automate, how you can start to automate some feature, some process, but right now I will show you a page. But yeah, I will just create more features, I create more automation tests. But right now it's a simple one. It's how you can start create automation tests with Salesforce. But Michael, what does it mean Salesforce? It's a good question. Salesforce, it's a cloud-based CRM, customer relationship management platform used by companies to manage customers, sales, support, automation, and business workflows in one centralized system. Yeah, it's a big one. We can do a lot of things. This project is in the market for a long time. Just for you have a quickly understanding and how can we apply Salesforce. Imagine in your company you have a HR, and HR could do like hire a new employee or just pays a salary or different different tests that HR can do that. And HR can use Salesforce to do that as well. Create a customer, create a contact, create whatever the rules that it needs to be there. But it's the process that can be HR can use with Salesforce. Okay, this one. And another thing is, I don't know if I tell you in the beginner, but in this video my idea is not show you how you can create an account, but because it's maybe I can create a separate video, but it's not complicated. Just try to follow some steps on the internet, for example, looking for in the Google how you can create, but it's not complicated. Okay, and let's move on. All right, this is the readme about my project here. I'm working with Playwright TypeScript Node.js and this one too. Current features: Salesforce login automation, environment variable support, secure credentials configuration, Playwright test execution, initial page object model structure. Boom. All right, this is the planning that I would like to continue in the next video as well. But right now, no, I don't have this. Just the feature planning. This is the project structure, test pages. I have these files. This is just remove this example. This I don't have. I just have this one. And here we can store like this. Okay, this file. I won't open because I have my personal credentials there, and I don't want to edit this video for blur. I prefer just don't open this file. But basically it's I have this this variable, URL, username, and password. Okay, and this way that we can running, but we have different ways to run our test. Let me just come back in here. Okay, this is my project. It's a simple architecture, not complicated. I have pages here. This is my test. Oh, sorry. Let me just open here. Here, let me just close it, my README. Here. Okay. This is my automation test that I have. The only thing that I will do in this video is I will run with you this test. It's called should log in successfully into Salesforce. That's it, nothing else. Okay. I will navigate to the page and then I will fill with username and password, and I will check if everything is good. Okay, that's it, nothing else. You might just I think this could be good. All right, here not one more thing, but we have different ways to run the automation test. I will start with one, if I will see if it works. If not, I will jump to another. One way that we can do is using this, okay? Again, sorry, I think I was fast. And here we have this project, and here we have the testing, the menu, and here I have this one, test, auth, and location. Sorry, test, auth, and login inspect. Right here. Here we have some options. Right now I run as a debug and see what's going on. Let's do that. All right, let's see the result. Okay, but here I need to do like this. Okay, F10 here. You can just press on the keyboard or just press this option on the top. Let's see. Okay, we are here. Okay, here. You can have this access after you create your account in there. Okay, because if you here just one more, I want to tell you about it. I'm past this URL, but you can use a general. But in general, you need to put your number of cell phone or validate the user as well. And then I decide to put directly here. This way I can avoid the verification with my personal cell phone. Okay, just for a different information. Let me just go F10. Remember F10 here. Now I will press the login and password, and sorry, it was fast, I apologize. Yeah, this one it's working as expected as well. Okay, let me just finish this, and okay, let me see the result in here. Look, was successfully, the test was completed successfully. Okay, guys, let me just come back in here. I will finish here. Okay, this video it's related to this one that you can just follow. It's not a complicated, just easy, and just for you have an introduction about how you can work with automation test plus Salesforce. Okay, and I will create another videos about it. I don't promise. I mean, the first one I want to create more and prove my project here. Okay, because I need to create more things. Maybe some improvement will be here next time, but for now it's done. Guys, I really appreciate your time. It was a big pleasure, and as usually, see you next. Bye bye. Now bye bye.